Now, if you are in the state of Ohio, like I've stated before in my videos, the reason why I know who doesn't have what is because I ask. And if you're in the state of Ohio, please DM me or let me know in the comments, because this information is what you need in order to win all your cases. As you can see, we have the oath of office. What many people don't realize and don't understand, while they're going around looking for rules, the oath of office is called a recognizance bond. It's a promise to do something. A recognizance bond also requires payment. That's how trust law works. When public officials are in public offices and they're receiving payment from public funds, they themselves must post a financial fiduciary bond payment. This is not from the government. This is a payment bond that they must pay in order to actually be in office. Otherwise, their office is vacant. So a person that is a public officer of trust and profit cannot hold an office without paying themselves a bond. And this is how you find out if they have it or not. The very first thing you do, you go to their website at the Secretary of State and you submit a request for a copy of their oath and their fiduciary bond and proof that they paid for their fiduciary bond out of their own funds. And this is the crazy response I got from the State Department. And I love this response because it's just a complete lie. Regarding the fiduciary bond, the governor doesn't need one. That's bullshit. Bullshit. So what do? You put their ass on a 72-hour notice. This correspondence serves as formal notices in demand pursuant to my public records request dated May 8th, requesting the oath and fiduciary bond for Governor Mike DeWine. Your office has produced an oath of office but has failed to provide any fiduciary bond, recognizance, surety, or financial consideration as required by law. The oath of office, properly understood, constitutes a recognizance bond which is not completed by the mere recital or filing it. It demands a personal fiduciary commitment backed by private financial surety. This burden belongs to the fiduciary, not the state, nor may it be discharged by a blanket insurance indemnification. Pursuant to the Ohio Revised Code Section 33.30, every bond required by law shall be deposited and kept in the office of the officer with whom it is required to be deposited before the person elected or appointed enters upon the discharge of his duties, which means he has to have. So Governor Mike DeWine's failure to deposit a fiduciary bond prior to exercising any official duty is a direct violation of this statute. Furthermore, under Ohio Revised Codes 3.01a, an office shall be deemed vacant upon the refusal or neglect of the person elected or appointed to accept the office and qualify by taking the oath of office and giving the bond, when either is required in the manner and within the time prescribed by law. By operating in the capacity of governor without a filed and perfected fiduciary bond, Governor DeWine is in dishonor and acting without lawful qualification. As such, he must vacate the office immediately, and all actions taken under his unauthorized capacity are void ab initio. Accordingly, you are given 72 hours from the time of receipt of this notice to produce the fiduciary bond, recognizance, surety, or personal financial instrument that lawfully completes the oath of office. Provide a legal citation exempting Governor Mike DeWine from the requirements of ORC Section 330 and 3.01A5. Declare the office of the governor vacant. Vacant by operation of law if no such fiduciary bond exists. This notice is issued under the supreme authority of God's law, under which no office may be without accountability. No public funds may be lawfully drawn absent fiduciary commitment, and no dishonor shall be allowed to stand unanswered. If this matter is not resolved within 72 hours, it will be entered into public record that the office is held unlawfully, and further lawful measure may be in accordance with God's laws and the laws of Ohio in truth and lawful standing. This is my testimony.